fams, it's love CaityB back in the building with another reaction video with Mama B, and we're going to be reacting to a track that just dropped. It's by Masi Rooc feat Day One called Setbacks. Never heard of Day One before. Definitely a new track. So yeah, thank you to all that's requested for us to react to this track. Appreciate it heaps. And yeah.
Just before we start, just want to lay out some rules for all the new subscribers. We only accept requests on YouTube for music.
Not on
we
Instagram.
Leave the Instagram for the trolls that private message stupid stuff. But yeah, YouTube only is for requests, please.
Yeah. Just to make it easier to keep track, because we have a specific thing where we can type in certain requests and that's where all the names show up. Yes, filter. Whereas on Instagram I tend to forget that there is requests on there and it's just hard to keep track.
Yeah.
So please just keep it to YouTube just to make it easier.
A lot of you all have requested songs. Some request 2 to 3 songs in one go or throughout the week. Yeah,
or a day even. That's quite a lot.
And you're probably wondering why your song's not showing up. At the moment we've decided that we're only going to take songs that are highly requested, including the new drops, but the other requests we do consider it too, but it's just that we can't really react to a song just for that one person has requested, because that puts us back a bit with filming, and then we've got editing. We both work daytime jobs full-time, so and when we get home we got chores to do, being females, we got stuff to do, cooking, cleaning, stuff like that. And we normally have our dinners around 4 to 5 in the evening, just so that we can work on the YouTube for the rest of the night. That's the reason why we get the
upload late.
Upload late.
And also we work weekends most times, so you gotta get that cash, so hence why I don't upload as early on weekends as well. So the process of our, how we do the requests is that we take your request, we note it down, and then we send our list to Brisbane. They sort the list out for our face-offs or doubles or singles. They send it back when they finish. That's when we start filming, editing again late in the evening, and upload. And mind you, Uncle Ty and Cousin Ezra are usually busy with their lives as well, so it takes time for them to send the list back to us on what we should be reacting to and in what order as well.
That's how our process of doing it. It just makes it easier, mainly for us, because we work daytime jobs. So does Ty and Ezra up in Brisbane. And while we're on that note, when we get requests for songs that have just dropped, we try and do it as soon as possible. Like with this weekend with Masi Rooc, Masi Rooc, Young and Lips. Yeah, because we do prefer to have family time. Yeah. And we do prefer to put our family before YouTube. Yeah. It's more important to us. We do honestly appreciate
all the comments and
all the time you guys take to watch, comment.
Yeah, nothing but love and appreciation. Also, sorry guys, one more thing. A lot of people have been requesting, shout outs and stuff like that, or shout outs, because most of the time we film in bulk. So when I do get shout outs, it's probably too late because we've already filmed a whole bunch of videos. Hence why I type some of the shout outs in. So unless I finish uploading all those bulk videos, then I can do a video where I can do shout outs to, newer comments. You know what I mean? Yeah, sorry I missed that out. We do, when we get the list back, that's when we set a day, like as soon as possible, where we just film non-stop, film for like up to 2 hours just filming the requests, and then we spend another 2 to 3 hours in the night just editing and doing everything that goes with editing. Also, plus the fact that I fall asleep in and out and because I'm not gonna lie, like when we are gonna film, like sometimes I'm just like really tired, or I'm just like too lazy to film that day, so sometimes it ends up pushing it back a bit. Push it back a bit. Yeah. So I'd rather she doesn't. We'd rather we don't come across as not interested, or sorry about that. Also, just a quick note, Stunner No Limits back in New Zealand. They do online. We can go buy online. You can catch them on Instagram or Facebook, and click on the link, it'll take you to their online shopping.
And I'll have their website as well. Yeah, I'll have it all down in the description box below for you guys to check out, as well as the track that we're reacting to. Just please support our poly businesses and poly artists out there, please, fam.
Masi Rooc.
Masi Rooc. Been waiting for this. Just seeing the title makes me emotional already. I feel like it's gonna be an emotional one. Let's get. Oh, that must be day one. I thought that was the younger him.
Most of my dreams are failures. Still never put my hand out waiting for people to give me favours. Carry myself for years, to have me one out for years. Never was the plan that we move forward. All of my people that fight out here, now I guess God gave me a calling. See me ready, always aware. Yeah, counting my blessings, gotta be grateful I'm out of the system. Under the weather for me to go back to the river and I miss them. But I got plans and I plan on doing ambitions. Never compares to them, we're different. Work hard no matter what, I'm making it. How it works out, God's plan 2911, have faith in it. 2020 vision really clear, see the big picture. If anyone to stand against me, that's a big mix-up.
Damn.
Wow.
Can't make plans if you don't have faith in it. Goals and stuff. Damn.
Yeah, you gotta believe in yourself, eh?
You gotta wanna have the drive for it to really push through. Damn, damn, can we start from the beginning? Damn, that was deep.
Okay.
I wasn't ready for that.
Fuck,
yeah. I love it. I'm gonna have to turn it up for this one.
Sereno Productions again.
Because your vision is directed.
Yeah. Most of my dreams are failures. Still never put my hand out waiting for people to give me favours. Carry myself for years, to have me one out for years. Never was the plan that we move forward. All of my people that fight out here, now I guess God gave me a calling. See me ready, always aware. Yeah, counting my blessings, gotta be grateful I'm out of the system. Under the weather for me to go back to the river and I miss them. But I got plans that I plan on doing ambitions.
Oh, he wants to go back to Brethren, but he...
Oh, yeah, man, that's an original song. For the beginning, he didn't wait for people to hand him favors. Like, no one wants to ask for help sometimes, like...
Yeah. Because, you know, you're gonna...
Face as well.
Yeah, setbacks. Oh, I'm gonna fight.
Damn.
Never compares to them, we're different. Work hard no matter what, I'm making it. How it works out, God's plan 2911, have faith in it. 2020 vision really clear, see the big picture. If anyone to stand against me, that's a big mix.
I like that 2020 vision, but 2020 this year. That's smart, mate. Oh, fine.
2020 vision really clear, see the big picture. If anyone to stand against me, that's a big mix-up. Trust me, I'm putting in work that will never outwork me. See, I've been for the trenches. Knock, and the boys still locked up, gotta finish their sentence. I feel the pain, they will never understand us. Built so much hate for the system, but I'm grateful, that's where I gain wisdom. I came in late, they'll never really understand me. I see my own boys locked up in the penitentiary. And that's my bro, and that's my guy, and that's my family. And that's my Uso, and I'll have him till the end. I had some setbacks, but I'll never let it stop. My pots were empty, now the deck is all I got. Cause when we grew, I swear I did things that were not. But I'm still with my brothers, yeah, I know they got. Yeah, that's nice. If you get knocked down, just get back on your feet and carry on. You can't rely on other people to carry you forward. Yeah, you got to do it on your own, and then you'll appreciate all your hard work yourself. Yeah, true.
Excuse the family in the back.
The struggle is real, yeah, I've had mine. 19, I was putting on greens, fresh in, still new to the scene. Look how far I've come from where I've been. Got knocked back by the state parole, spewed, devastated, deep in the pit. Never let go of my pain and I hated them, dealt with the enemies. Set free, thank God. Yeah, I'm still a sinner, but I know it's got me a purpose. Yeah, he took me that way on purpose. Talk about bigger plans, what? Little older, see the whole plot. Watch how I make it killing from here when they hear me. I know they feel me, ain't finna pull me down. Got a big heart, a man up.
Sorry.
He does have a big heart.
Yeah. Everything happens for a reason. In God's timing. Yeah.
Songs like hitting
Sounds like such a humble guy. Man. Learn from your mistakes.
27 came out. Judge stated has poor chances when he's out. Tell him come have a good look at me now. Remember when I told Belinda I was gonna hit the millies? Remember when I told the brothers that I'm in it till I'm finished? They just let my brother loco free. Still under parole, can't meet. Got big plans for the whole scene. Wait till the world channel free the OC. Doing what I'm destined now, I'm here to finish up the end of the race. Now that my time has come, gotta cement my place. I came late, I'm never really.
He's doing it for him and his brothers.
Gotta cement his place.
Damn.
Make your mark in this world.
For sure, man. Masi Rooc's different, eh?
Vulnerable, eh?
Yeah.
Another side of him. I mean, we've seen it on other videos, like collabing with
yeah, my also and all that.
Usos.
Man, he's good, man.
You understand me? I see my homeboys locked up in a penitentiary, and that's my bro, and that's my guy, and that's my family, and that's my Uso, and I'll have him today in me. I had some setbacks, but I'll never let it stop me. My cars were empty, now the deck is all I got. Cause when we grew, I swear I did things that would not be. But I'm still with my brothers, yeah, I know they got me. And that's my bro, and that's my guy, and that's my family. And that's my bro, and that's my guy, and that's my family. And that's my bro, and that's my guy, and that's my family. And that's my bro, and that's my guy, and that's my family.
Crazy Visions again. Sueno Productions. Man.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this clip got me hella emotional. Like, just the
struggles.
Yeah, the clip. Yeah, his story, and then the beat. Oh man. Oh.
Man, I've said it before. I'll say it again, man. This Masi Rooc.
Bro, I'm speechless, man. I was crying.
Big ups to Masi Rooc. I really, really love this guy. His work, the message he puts out, coming from the heart. And it's nice to see this new one.
Day one. Never heard of him before.
Sorry, we live under a rock apparently.
Yeah, he said also, but I'm like, is he part island? Is he an islander? Because I thought he was just like, you know.
And nowadays also is.
Anyone uses it.
Yeah, to your brother, like he calls them brethren, you know, family.
I love that he just constantly saying he's doing it for him and his bros. Like wherever he goes, he's taking his bros with him. He said one day come out, he's got them set up and stuff like that.
That's beautiful.
Basically,
You need loyalties.
Yeah. You guys better be good to this guy as well, you know.
Because he's been there, done that, and you know, you learn from your mistakes.
What do you think, Moby?
I love it, 10. I love the visuals. I love this guy, Masi Rooc. He is like, just, I don't know, he just comes across as such a humble guy. As
he said, big heart as well. He seems like it, like, bloody hell.
And he's got, you know, he's focused. He knows what he wants, and he's on, you know.
And because he's, as he said, he's failed so much.
Yeah.
He can only grow from it.
You learn from your mistakes. Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah, I give it a 10, fam. I give it a 10. Bro, the more I think about the song, the more I just want to ball my eyes out. Bloody hell! I beat my face for nothing. Oh man. Oh man, keep it up, bro.
Again, sorry for earlier in the video. Just needed to make things clear. Just needed to make things clear.
Yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys understand. But yeah, anyways, keep bringing in your requests, fam. We're still, you know.
If we don't get through them, if we don't react to your request, it's either because it's a copyright or they got young kids in it. Something. There's always a reason why we cannot react, or we've already seen it before.
Yeah, most of the times we have.
Especially with the older songs. Yeah, sorry. Don't forget, please support Stunner No Limits, Instagram and Facebook, please. There's 2 stores in New Zealand and Auckland, one in Otara, 274, and one in Otahu, 27.
but the stores will probably be closed in New Zealand right now. But online shopping, I'm guessing, is still going.
Yeah.
Yeah, check them out, fam.
Yeah. So I've got the South Auckland.
And I got the Otara.
That's where we're from.
Yeah, home is where the heart is, mate.
Home of the brave.
Home of the scorpions. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, I don't know why I did that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you guys thought of this reaction and of the track.
Subscribe to the bro Masi Rooc's YouTube channel. Support. He's on 8.85 at the moment. Come on,
get
him
to
up
10k.
there. Yeah.
10k, fam. Come on.
Only 20k.
100k.
Bingo.
And while you're gonna subscribe to his channel, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. We would appreciate it heaps. Help get my channel to 5k, please, fam. Yeah. Anyways, fam, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.